everybody, it's Brad, Nelson Ridge Farm. Finally getting to do some hay here in our front yard and around our farm this time. So we've been on everybody else's farm, but Gray cut this and Lacey just tethered it. And this is our front yard, of course. I'm gonna go tether some other fields on the farm by the Christmas tree patch and so on. So we'll show you some of that. Thanks for watching. Cutting and the John Deere is mowing, and Lacey's sort of a lap or two behind him tethering. Getting pretty efficient. She's almost caught up to him. Of course, the tether's way bigger than the mower. Back in the coyote field, we call it. Great deer stand, and last year's Tella killed her first coyote out of there, so we've been calling this the coyote field. Cut the fence. That front porch view when the hay's cut. I'll love it when it's raked and baled too. Thank y'all for watching. Appreciate it. Short video. Thanks for liking and subscribing. See y'all next time.